नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। और फ्रेंड्स, नेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ बैंक ऑफिसर्स NOBO and NOBW stands on micromanagement of public sector banks on the IR related issue, इंडस्ट्रियल रिलेटेड इश्यूज के बारे में उन्होंने कहा क्या स्टैंड्स है, इसको क्लियर किया है। आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब किया है। सो आगे बढ़ते हैं। उनका एक सर्कुलर रिलीज किया था, द रिसेंट डायरेक्टिव्स ऑफ DFS इन ट्रांसफर मैटर्स इज ए मोस्ट वेलकम स्टेप इन बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री। NOBW and NOBO have been of strong opinion to have a fair and transparent transfer policy in banking industry and making due efforts for it. We are of opinion that a fair and transparent transfer policy based on equity will end the favoritism, arbitrariness, pick and choose and the discriminatory treatment with the bank men. हालांकि ट्रांसफ़र पॉलिसी का विरोध हमारी अदर्स यूनियन स्पेशली AIBA ने किया है, AIBOC ने किया है, क्योंकि वो नहीं चाहते हैं कि ट्रांसफ़र पॉलिसी फेयर हो ताकि उनका हिंड्रेंस हमेशा बना रहे। द DFS गाइडलाइंस stated as government interference in banking operation and making it an issue of in strike letter dated 5th March has created utter dismay, frustration and the confusion among common bankmen. We, NOBW and NOBO, make it abundantly clear that we stand committed for united action for burning issues being ignored and pending for years. We are of considered opinion that breach of settlement and understanding is a serious blow of bilateralism. Lackluster approach and the casual attitude of management on important issue in a matter of serious concern. NOBW and NOBO is with strike action on following issues. उनका जो स्ट्राइक करने का जो वजह है उसको उन्होंने गिनाते हुए कहा 5-day banking since agreed but not implemented. Second, bring in place work-life balance. Third, ex gratia review due in April 24 and onward has not been done. It amounts to breach of settlement. Fourth, pension revision on RBI lines as agreed in pension agreement. Management has not taken any step to insert periodic pension updation revision in BPR 95. Agree in joint note of 8 March 24 to be done in 180 days. Friends, the demand for 5-day banking and work-life balance is not just a matter of convenience. Rather, it is a necessity for the well-being and the mental health of every employee. These two demands should take center stage as they directly impact the life of the banking professionals. Likewise, pension revision is as important as wage revision. Pension is an integral part of service conditions. Pay and pension revision must come together as is the basic intent of the pension scheme. We disagree with the hypothesis of management that there is no pension updation provision in pension scheme agreement. It's pending for years and the pensioners are agitating for but are not heard. Ex gratia to pensioners was agreed to be reviewed in April 24 and thereafter annually. It was not reviewed in April 24. It's breach of settlement under ID Act. Other issues listed in strike letter are of self-service status. They diminish and dilute the importance of major issue. At the best, they need effective persuasion. Inclusion of such issues will lead to doubt the credential of trade unions. They are asking certain critical questions such as, all other agenda diminish to the status of a just service, hence we would suggest to keep all other demands out of the agenda for the strike calling letter 5th March 25. Further inclusion of other demands will lead to doubt in the members regarding credibility of the trade unions. We are very clear that a uniform, fair and transparent transfer policy is a much needed reform measure that benefits all employees by ensuring fairness, check and balance. We must not allow this outcome to be hijacked and jeopardized for the personal or the political motives. Focus solely on the above important issue, reject distraction and the hidden agenda, ensure reform and benefit every banker, not just a select few. We urge all bankers to stay aware, stay united and demand real issue that service our collective interest, not selective activism. Let's push for what truly matters. 5-day banking, work-life balance, pension revision RBI lines, ex gratia review of April 24. लेकिन AIBA, IBOC के एजेंडा में केवल और केवल डायरेक्टर की भर्ती कर दीजिए। इस टाइप की बातें उनके दिमाग में हैं। उनके एजेंडा में पेंशन रिवीजन गायब, एक्स ग्रेशिया रिव्यू गायब, 5-डे बैंकिंग खाली दिखावटी बात कर रहे हैं। तो फ्रेंड्स, हमारा जो मेजॉरिटी यूनियन है वही बोगस है। सबसे बड़ी दिक्कत यही है। अगर AIB और IBOC सुधर जाएं तो सारे बैंकर्स की प्रॉब्लम रिजॉल्व हो जाए। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्ते।